everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Samba practice routine number 3. This was taught on Monday the 30th of May 22. You can find the full 90-minute class, which was tango and samba, on the video playlist in the Improvers Solo Ballroom Latin video subscription. So, little short summary. I'm going to turn around and face the front. We started with a right foot lead and I did either 4 whisks or 2 whisks, 1 turn and a last whisk. So it's 4 bars, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2. And I gave students at the time option to put the turn in or leave it out depending on how comfortable they were. Obviously this is an improvers class. I've got some people that are just starting as improvers, and I've got people that are more experienced improvers, so give people the options of what they would like to do. Okay, where's the paperwork? So we went from here, 2 vertical goes facing forwards, 1, 2, 1, 2. Travelling voltas, right to left, left to right, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now I'm going to do 3 spot voltas in a row, which is quite challenging, and I gave everyone the option to take a spot volta out and replace it with a whisk, should they need to. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, but it will work just as well if I do 1 and then 2 more whisks, or I could do 2 spot voltas and just do the 3rd one as a whisk. It's up to you. There's 3 bars to cover there. We then went with a left foot in front, circular voltas to the count of 6. Okay? Because I did 3 bars with the spot voltas, and the music sounds like you want to do everything in 4s. So we added those extra 2 counts on for the circular voltas. Okay? Now, Botafogo's going back, back and place, back, replace. And then we did the quarter jacka. Now, although we're doing pre-bronze and bronze, but we're solo dancing, we're not doing it for exams, I actually linked the 2 halves of the quarter jacka. So normally we do just 1 with the man stepping forwards on the right, and then we go heel and toe and heel, toe and heel and toe. And then we added the ladies in as well. So we step back, here and here and here and here and. Now, the linking of the 2 is a legitimate step that we would do around the silver level. So we can go from one to the other. And it just means that the lady and the gent both do the step, forwards on the right foot, and then heel toe on the left, and back on the left foot, heel toe on the right foot, and that then just alternates. So whoever's doing it forwards, the other's doing it back, and so on. So we've got slow, quick and quick and quick and quick and. Did I count too many? Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Quick and quick and quick and. So the 6 of them. Slow. Quick and quick and quick and. Slow. Quick and quick and quick and. Okay? That was just going on the end. So let's do the whole thing together. Let's put the paperwork down. Hopefully I can remember that. Right foot whisk. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Botafogo, Botafogo, voltas 2. Ladies' arms. D. Spot voltas. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and excuse me, sorry for sneezing. 5 and 6. Back Botafogos twice. 1, 2, slow, quick and quick and quick and slow, quick and quick and quick and slow. Guys, that was it. Like I say, really short routine. Just a little practice, something that we do at the end of each lesson so people can practice 2 or 3 of the moves. The moves that we taught today was the quarter jacka, and we'd also revise the spot volta because we had only done that about a month ago. So they were the 2 steps that everyone was revising or learning today. So you can find that full playlist on the Monday the 30th of May 22 in my video library. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then have a look at the links below. You can see the link to my members area, and then you can just sign in, get a free sign in, and if you choose to look at the videos later on, you're more than welcome to do so. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.